It's like a mission critical app. If they don't have a team like that can get up to speed and build in either the pure native technologies, like they're going to miss out on the market.
Hey, what's up? It's Hayden Ballio here at Connect.Tech 2023 again, and I am sitting next to Mike Hartington of Ionic. Mike, please introduce yourself to the people.
Yeah, so I'm Mike. Work at a company called Ionic. I do a lot of mobile, JavaScript, TypeScript, build guitars, do just fun stuff.
That's fun stuff.
Yeah, that's me.
Nice. So you had a talk here.
Mm-hmm.
It was around cross-platform development. Am I correct? Yeah. Why don't you give us a little brief on what the talk was about?
Right. The talk kind of is built out of like, how many times have you gone on like any media blog post where it's just like X versus Y, who will win the war, right?
Polarization.
Right. Yeah. It's a great way to like stir up controversy and get the readership.
Yeah.
So I like had read so many of those, and I got so frustrated with them because they're just like, no, you're comparing like two different things and not in an equal way. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna look at, because of the space I'm in, like I'm gonna look at React Native, Flutter, obviously Ionic, and I want to go through each of the projects building the same app and to highlight what were the things I needed to know and understand to build an app, what were the challenges I faced, what were was the developer experience like, in a way that was like, less one is better than the other, but this is just what I had to do to get my app to ship. And hopefully teach people, it's like, listen, these things actually have the same capabilities all across the board. It's really more about like, where are you at today? What's your team's background and experience? And you can use one tool and not be like, oh, this is my life now.
Nice.
You can jump around.
You don't have to be so siloed.
Right.
Yeah. That's awesome. I mean, from I know these technologies are constantly evolving and constantly emerging, new technologies. Yeah. Like, how do you see that? Give us a little bit of like crystal ball. Like, what do you see over the next, year, maybe a couple of years of just like, and what are you looking forward to, and what message are you trying to spread out there when it comes to cross-platform development?
So I'm historically very bad at predictions.
We don't go to Vegas with you or anything?
Oh yeah, no, I am not the person you want to say, Mike, what do you think is going to happen here? But I think, so like, I've been around long enough to see like the cycles of what's trendy, what's not trendy, and how things kind of constantly go, oh, we're here, now we're going back. So while some people are probably like, oh, don't ever do cross-platform tools, they're terrible, you should do either pure native or just go full web, I see that kind of pendulum coming back, especially with larger like enterprises where their app needs to function and they got to move quickly. It's like a mission critical app. If they don't have a team like that can get up to speed and build in either the pure native technologies, like they're going to miss out on the market, and then competition comes in. So for me, I see that pendulum coming back where cross-platform isn't such a dirty word, and people are going to kind of embrace it a little bit more, hopefully.
That's good. There's been a lot of really cool tracks here at Connect.Tech. I mean, there's a big AI track here, obviously, and it's the same kind of way, right? It's like you're hoping that it gets embraced to the point where we use it as a tool and a way to augment, as opposed to like it's a AI versus us type of situation, right? So I completely understand. I love this, and so if people wanted to find you online or to find Ionic, where would they go?
So you can go to, I'm still going to call it Twitter.
Okay.
It's basically M Hartington everywhere online. IonicFramework.com, Ionic.io. You can find us all kind of out there in the internet.
Very cool. Very cool. All right. Well, appreciate you, Mike, so much. Thank y'all for watching. Follow HeroDevs and We'll have another story soon for y'all. Thanks, heroes. Bye.